Good morning, everybody. Happy Wednesday to you. Gosh, we're in May already. Can you believe that? Mother's Day is coming up. Anyway, I wanted to remember yesterday or the last video, I did a sketchbook flip through. I'm going to work on some of the things that I was inspired by that I flagged when I did that. And the first one I'm going to do is this little owly fella. See, I did them all different directions, so it doesn't really matter which way you hold the book. They go any which way, but aren't they cute? I love them. I think they're cute. I am inspired to do those again. Let me turn off my heater. Excuse me, it's a little loud. Power off. There was a bit of chill in the air this morning. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to do it on a bookmark, but the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to do step outs because I don't know that I followed a step out for this. I think I just drew them. Or I was inspired by somebody. I don't know, but I've done a little quick internet search and I have not seen owls of this kind anywhere that pops up when I do like Zentangle owls or tangle pattern owls. I get all sorts of beautiful results, but I don't get this particular cute little guy. So, and it reminds me of this washi tape I used. Aren't they cute? So I'm inspired by owls today. So we're going to draw a step out. If you guys don't know what a step out is, that's the pattern that you follow step by step. And how you do a step out is you draw it out in steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, however many steps you have. I've just drawn a little bit of a grid here on my piece of paper just so I have squares that I can use. And you do them in red and then in black. Each step, the new parts of each step are in in red. Gosh, can't even talk today. So step number 1 for these little guys is to draw the 2 little eyes with like that and a little triangle for the nose. Oh, you guys are awfully far away. You're not going to be able to see that very well. Let me bring you in. That's better. So that's step number 1. And you can give them whatever kind of personality you want. So we're going to do step number 1 in the next box. And then we'll add step number 2. Step number 2, very easy. Ooh. Right under his eyes or right next to his eyes, but mostly I think just right under his eyes. You're going to bring another circle for his body. Something's sticking. What is sticking? I don't know. Something sticky. Okay. And in this same step, you can do this one. So you do a little circle and a little curve there. I'll turn it around here in a second so you can see it going the right direction. But so now I'll do another one in this square. Circle, circle, a little triangle. Circle inside, this circle, and this arch. Just like that. See how it's coming together? And then you add this bit and this bit. And little feetsies. And you can color in the eye. Like that. Okay, so now I'm going to show the whole thing just in black. And give him his eye a little bit of color. Just like that. There he is, plain and simple. And then you can add embellishments on top of that and do whatever you want with the little guy. But he's very cute, easy to draw. If you draw his beak a little crooked, you draw it a little weird shaped, you draw the eyes different sizes, different proportions. That's how you make each one of your little owls different and unique. And I don't know what we'll call this. I guess we'll just call it Owly. Owly. And it's 1, 2, 3. Basically 3 simple steps. Now if you stuck them together in a row or something, you could probably, if you didn't do this part, you could do them all lined up, one right next to each other. Maybe just have one arm on one end and no arms here. That might be interesting. Maybe I'll do that. Anyway, I was going to do it on a bookmark. I've got a little scrap of that watercolor paper with all the shimmery on it. Look at how pretty that is. That I can just do some of these guys, or do I want to do it on a branch and have them all separate? I don't know. Start with one in the middle. Made his arms a little different, right, from what my initial drawing. Maybe zoom you in just a little bit more. And let's give him a second swoop here, and maybe a second swoop on the wings. And we're going to make his feet go this way. Way out like that. And maybe we'll give him, stripes. Like that. Why? I don't know. He's a striped owl. He's a very odd owl. Very cute. I'm going to give him a dark little bit right here. Why? I don't know. I've just decided he wants a dark little bit right here. Right there. And here on his wings as well. Okay, and then I'm going to do one kind of this direction. He's going to be looking this way. He's got a crooked nose and a tiny little body. With big wings and massive feet. And he's got polka dots. Just like that. And then there's going to be one over here that's going to be going to have tiny little eyes. With a long beak and a big head. I mean, a big body. And he is got your typical kind of scallopy kind of thing here going on with his feathers like that. And then let's do one over here that's going this way, maybe this way. I like the big eyes. Maybe he's cross-eyed. Maybe he's got actual legs. Like that. And he needs some wings. What's that? I don't know. Just came out of me. Like so. And do we want one more? Nah, I think I'm good. He is dangling by 1 foot off of this branch. And then this branch comes under here and under here and over there like so. Zoom out a little bit so you can see the whole page now. Oop, wrong direction. Wrong direction. Come on. Why is that? I can't get my finger in there. There we go. And then we're just going to kind of do some swoopy bits to indicate this branch or whatever this is that they are all sitting on. Just like so. There we go. There's all my little characters. See, if you had a bookmark and you had this sticking in your book like this, wouldn't that be cute with the little owl sticking out? Just like that. That would be very cute. Okay. Just a quickie today. Let's sign it over here. And what did I call it? Owly. Owly. All right, whichever way that goes. I'm going to stick it that way so you guys can see the whole thing. All right, that's it for today. Something simple, something easy. You know what? I like these little, whatever I did here to kind of indicate almost like leaves. I'm going to do some of those too. I feel like it needs it. Why? I'm not too sure. It absolutely could do without it, but for some reason I want these little circles. Okay, now I feel more happy. I don't know why it needed that. It just did. Okay, you guys go out and do something nice for someone today. Make the world a better place, one person at a time, one smile at a time. Pray for our world because, you know, it is still in a state now, isn't it? I was hoping things would be better by now, but it's not. Anyway, I will be back on the next video to do another thing inspired by one of my journals. And, yeah, see you Friday. You guys have a great day. Bye-bye.